Monarchy Comprehension Check. Answer the following questions after reading the station. First, you're going to write your first name in the box here. You're then going to write your last name in the box here. You will then select your class cycle number. Number 1. During what time period were most Greek city-states ruled by a monarch? 500 to 100 BC, 2000 to 800 BC, or 200 to 800 BC? Number 2. What is a monarch? A free man, a king, or a slave? Number 3. What happened when the king died? Who took power? Kings demanded that power go to their children. Another leader was elected to take his place, or a military leader took his place. Number 4. What were some powers of the king? Made laws and acted as judges, led the army during wars, used armed soldiers to punish people who did not obey laws or pay taxes, or both. And number 5, what happened to monarchy in most city-states? The kings ruled for life, monarchs always controlled Greece, or aristocrats eventually overthrew the monarchy and took the power for themselves.